All right, welcome back once again. Let's say we want to visualize something else in Google Earth. Let's take a look. This is my house, but what I'm going to do next is I want to take a look at my neighborhood. So I'm going to click one time on my map and hit R on my keyboard. Now I got north is up and I'm looking back at a straight down view. All right, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And say this time I want to visualize my neighborhood, which is called Sugarland Run. And instead of a point on the ground, like my house and a place mark, I want to visualize an area on the ground. This time place marks won't work. We need to add a polygon. So watch close. I'm going to add a polygon right here, my Northern Virginia folder. Right click, add a polygon. And this properties box comes up that we're familiar with. I'm going to call this Sugarland Run. All right, watch close. When my cursor right here is on the properties box, it's an arrow. But when I move it over here to the map, it becomes a crosshair. So watch close. I'm going to draw a polygon. What I'm going to do is click everywhere I want there to be an angle change. So one click, two clicks, and now you start to see it fills in an area as I click. This polygon represents the Sugarland Run neighborhood. Now, a big white blob doesn't do me any good. So let's change some things. Let's come to style and color. Come to style and color, and I'm going to make the area color, I think I'm going to go with yellow. Click OK. Now I've got a yellow area. That doesn't look good either. So I'm going to change the opacity. Usually somewhere between 30 and 40% looks good. Now I can see my polygon and see this represents Sugarland Run neighborhood, but also I can see through the polygon and see the imagery underneath. I like to also change the line color. This will be the outline. I like to make that black so it stands out just a little bit. What I also like to do is come to look at the measurements tab. This measurements tab will show me how big of a perimeter and area this polygon is. You can change the unit of measure. You can go with miles. You can go with the metric system, yards, acres, and smoots. When I'm happy with my polygon, you click OK, and now I've got my polygon over here in my Northern Virginia folder and the polygon here on my map. Next couple of videos, I'll show you how to go in and edit a few of these things. Polygons can be difficult for new users, so we'll go over what can go wrong. Map your world. See you next time.